ranked as the top 30 world's best universities for oil, gas and petroleum engineering by CEO World Magazine USA in 2017. UPES today is one of the best universities for engineering in India.
Talking about why I chose UPES, the basic agenda was the ample specialization that are present in UPES.
UPES is one of the top colleges of India which provides automotive design as a specialization course which connects the automotive enthusiast to the automotive world.
Engineering as a domain has evolved tremendously and it will continue to broaden its horizon. Hence, jobs in specialized fields will be highly in demand among global organizations. Therefore, programs offered by UPES become relevant today and beyond for its students.
My reason for joining UPES is that it is one of the few universities which offers B.Tech Fire and Safety Engineering.
We have developed the system where we build on the existing abilities of the students, and we also look at the capability building of the students and holistic all-around development of the student.
This has resulted in our students winning a great number of accolades at national and international level. Some of the prestigious events where our students participated are Poland Mars Analog Simulation PMAS 2017 and Global Aerospace Competition CANSAT 2017. All this is cultured by the element of teamwork taught to the students through fun activities at UPES. With excellent placement record, strong industry connects, experienced faculty and infrastructure, latest curriculum with a focus on specialization, UPES should be your preferred choice for engineering courses.